Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, SMX Security Matters. We've got some information here that you might find interesting about security matters. Tap the like button. This has just been sent in by Jay Long, one of our members. If you are a member of a channel, you can access Discord, send in links, and I can do videos for you on YouTube and put the news out. And very often, I will rank number one. Let me do it live on this one. SMX stock. I'll do it live right now and see if I rank for number one on this stock. I'm just typing it in incognito in real time, processing data. There it is, number one in the world on SMX. Get in once again, so you know that this information is going to get out and we can influence the stock. Well, maybe not. You decide. I'll look at the market cap and tell you in a second. How big is it? If it's under $1 million market cap, I certainly can. The market cap is 1.32. So yes, just about. If this is good news and everyone likes it, yes, we've done a review on it. We've done analysis on it, and the stock has been going up. It's called the Lucas effect ever since I did it, and ever since we ranked number one on YouTube. It's great. When it's a very small company like this, we certainly can. If it's bullish, if it's bearish, goes the other way, right? Anyway, let's have a look. Now, full disclosure, before anyone on Reddit goes, oh my God, Martyn Lucas has turned into a stock manipulator. This is terrible. No, I don't own the stock, never will own the stock. I only own the S&P. So before you get too excited, I do not own the stock, and I'm not manipulating it. I'm not pumping and dumping it. I'm not Nancy Pelosi, all right? There's all my reviews, my mini analysis. They're all on YouTube, and they rank right at the top, incognito. There's another one, and you can see it right there. So let's get straight into the news and see what's going on. And I'm going to give you a mini analysis as well. Oh, yes. As long as you tap the like button, you're going to see a mini analysis. Have you done subscribe and rung the bell yet? Are you ready? Okay, let's go straight into it. SMX, what's the news today? SMX tech solution to enable centralized data-driven reporting for EUDR compliance in the natural rubber industry. News just out literally 2 hours ago, brand new. Hot off the press. New York security matters company, a pioneer in digitizing physical objects for a circular economy, proudly announces their new solution to deliver a centralized blockchain reporting system for supply chain data, focusing on ethical sourcing, origination, and brand authentication in the natural rubber industry. SMX Technologies addresses the challenges faced by multinational organizations in meeting compliance and reporting standards related to ethical sources of materials, child labor, use of conflict materials, use of chemicals and pesticides, location and identification of farms and farmers, EU deforestation regulation reporting. Okay, there you go. Some more information on SMX, and let me provide you with a mini analysis. This is not a full analysis, it's a mini analysis. We are showing you here that the intrinsic value is $3.261. Right? Well, we're at 12 cents, which means we're 96% undervalued. However, it doesn't use DCF valuation. So this intrinsic value might be inaccurate. So it's based on what we have, but we don't have any more. Revenue, nothing to report yet. Very, very small company. Like I said, very, very small company. Nothing there to talk about. Operating income is down 34%. Net income down 17%. Financing cash flow down 100%. Investing cash flow, nothing to report. Operating cash flow up 27%. Look at the balance sheet, 129 million in assets. Have we got any cash? Doesn't look like it. 129 million assets, 9 million in liabilities. Let's have a look at the debt position. Short-term debt, no long-term debt, just 400,000. So our balance sheet will be okay. There'll be no issue there. Scrolling on down. What about The ROE, that's negative 3%. ROA, negative 3%. ROIC, negative 5%. ROCE, negative 4%. Okay. Now then, what about profitability? Just 38% profitability, so it's not disastrous by any means, and 66% solvency. Very nice indeed there. So some good news here. We like that. So let's scroll on down a little bit. Let's scroll down and look at the short interest, 1.83% short interest, and nothing else down there. So some good news just out today for SMX. This is a relatively bullish video, I believe. It potentially is undervalued, but the DCF valuation isn't there. Their balance sheet is okay. Their debt position is okay. And this is good news. So good sentiment. So it's a bullish review, I think, a mini analysis, I would call it. Over the last month, it's down 27%, however, but we've seen this rally down today, down 8.46 over the week. Over the last 3 months, down 13%. Year to date, it's down 81%, but on the day-to-day, we're seeing some positive sentiment. We are up 6.14 today. Things are looking up today. There we go. Fan-flipping-tastic. Click above my head for all the reviews and all the information down below in the description. Click the more button at the bottom and it'll open up all the links above my head. Over here, I shall put my mini analysis playlist, and down here, I'll put the playlist of SMX, and you can see all the videos I've done, all the analysis, and you can go and check it all out. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.